Welcome to this video on predictive versus prescriptive maintenance. We'll explore why the difference between these two strategies truly matters in the modern era of industrial AI and high-stakes manufacturing excellence. Unplanned downtime has become a trillion-dollar global crisis. It consumes approximately 11% of annual revenue for global 500 manufacturers. The annual cost of downtime is estimated at $1.4 trillion. We can see the maintenance maturity curve moving from reactive to proactive strategies. Reactive is fixing on failure. Preventative uses fixed schedules. Predictive uses IoT sensors to answer when will it fail. The ultimate goal is prescriptive, which provides AI-driven action plans for what should we do. Predictive maintenance acts as the alert system, answering the question, when will it fail? It uses real-time IoT sensors to monitor machine health and identify anomalies. The goal is simply to stop the failure before it happens. However, predictive maintenance still faces a diagnostic gap. The data deluge can lead to alert fatigue, where technicians ignore warnings without context. The execution gap means knowing when isn't enough. The human still bears the decision burden of what to do. Prescriptive maintenance provides the action plan, answering what to do next. It uses industrial AI to recommend specific, physics-validated corrective actions. This integrates sensor data with operational context, inventory, and workforce skill sets to provide a ready-to-execute work order. Comparing PDM and RXM shows a critical difference in output. PDM gives an alert, while RXM provides a verified repair directive. RXM shifts the decision-making from human interpretation to AI-recommended action, focusing on operational excellence rather than just failure avoidance. A verified action includes 4 parts: diagnosis to pinpoint the root cause, timeline to calculate the safe operating window, action to define the task and spares needed, and impact to simulate trade-offs for optimized decisions. The strategic ROI of prescriptive maintenance is significant, including an 85% improvement in downtime, a 40% reduction in maintenance costs, and a 35% extension of equipment lifespan. This benchmark data illustrates the performance gains possible. Outcome-verified maintenance closes the execution gap. Platforms like PlantOS offer 99.97% diagnostic accuracy and a 99% outcome-verified action loop. This vertical AI is built for heavy process industries and codifies expert reliability knowledge. Thank you for watching this video. The image sources for the content used in the video are displayed here.